Off a little bit and we can prepare to assemble our fried chicken burger. How I make fried chicken burger. Hi everybody, welcome back to Cantonese Food Recipes. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make my delicious garlic fried chicken burger. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe and I hope you guys make it for yourselves to taste. So let's get cooking. Okay, so for the garlic fried chicken burger today I'll be using some drumsticks. I know most of fried chicken burgers they use the chicken thigh, but today I'll be using some drumsticks. It's just a serving for myself today. So let's cut this up. Okay guys, so here's my drumstick over here. So to debone this, I don't want to cut it by the thick meaty area over here. Just from the base of the drumstick over here. And then I'm just going to give it a little slit here, got a bone here, and I'm just gonna first slit it from the center downwards here. And then we're just gonna stretch it open a little bit and then slowly slice all around the bone, and then yeah, it should debone. So here by the skin area, just give it a slit over here because it's holding the meat together. Just give a quick slit there, and then from the center here, just use the tip of your knife. Slowly cut it open. Cut it all the way towards the bone area. And then you can use this side just to slice more. Okay, so now I have, you can see it's just slit open towards the bone. Now from side to side, you just gotta keep on slitting around here. From the top part first, you know. You don't even matter about the base, because once the whole meat is taken out, then we can just slide it out from the base just with a few slits. So now from the top of the chicken thigh here, I'm gonna open it up. Open the top up a bit, and then I'll just keep on slicing through. If there's some skin holding on, then you're gonna slit it. And just keep on holding the meat like this and just stretch the meat and then slice. Just go towards the bone, it'll be easier. It's not about slicing the meat, it's about just going towards the bone and cutting the bone area. And then the whole meat will fall off. It's already went through like that, so that's what you're looking at. And now we just worry about the top part. And now just the base, just gonna cut it up, and voila, got yourself some chicken drumstick over here. Okay, I'll cut the rest of the other two chicken drumsticks, and then we will marinate this. Okay guys, let's marinate our chicken drumsticks over here. But before this recipe continues, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's marinate this. Okay, first we're gonna add in a tablespoon of crushed garlic. Okay, next we're gonna sprinkle some salt. Just a good amount, more or less. Okay, next we're gonna sprinkle some white pepper. Just like that. Okay, now I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, next I'm gonna add in a little bit of chicken bouillon powder. just like that. Okay, next we're gonna drizzle a little bit of oyster sauce. Good amount. More or less, doesn't matter. It will always taste good. Okay, next we're gonna drizzle a little bit of soy sauce. More or less, doesn't matter. Okay, now we're gonna drizzle a little bit of Chinese rice wine. Okay, we're gonna drizzle a little bit of sesame oil. Okay, and finally a drizzle of olive oil. Okay, let's mix this up. Okay, let's give this a quick mix. Get the chicken drumstick meat, good mix. This mixture here. Okay, after we gave this a quick mix, we're gonna crack in 1 egg. Okay, now we're going to just mix that egg with the chicken drumsticks over here. Smash that egg into this mixture. Okay, you can see after I mix the egg, you can see it's very watery from the sauces and the egg. So now we're going to add in a good amount of cornstarch to thicken up the marinade. Okay guys, now just add enough cornstarch to thicken up the marinade. I'm just going to add in 2 teaspoons first. And let's give this a quick mix. Okay, so the marinade is good. With the 2 heaped teaspoons, it doesn't need to be too thick. Just like this. You see other recipes on YouTube, they use buttermilk and all that stuff. This method is even way better, guys, once you see the results. Okay, just give this a quick mix and let it marinate in the fridge for half an hour. Okay, while that's marinating, let's prepare our fried chicken sauce, chicken burger sauce. So first I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of mayo. Then I'm going to drizzle a little bit of mustard. Then we're going to drizzle a little bit of sweet chili sauce. Okay, then we're going to add in a few slices of jalapeno peppers. This will give it that spicy kick. Okay, next we're going to add in a few slices of gherkins. There you go. Okay, let's give this a good mix. Let's mix this up. Guys, basically the sauce that you like, just add whatever sauces you like and mix it up with some mayo. You know, fried chicken burgers, you gotta have that mayo sauce. Basically these are all the sauces I like whenever I have like hamburgers and stuff. So yeah, have whatever sauces you like, mix it with your mayo. If you like it with spices or anything, mix it up. And yeah, just like that, do a good mix so that all the flavor fuses together. Okay, that's my sauce over there. Okay guys, it's time to coat our chicken drumstick pieces there. But here I've got some all-purpose flour. Then I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And yeah, let's give this a good mix. Okay, let's mix the flour up. Guys, you don't need to season your flour like other recipes you see on the on other YouTube channels, because this is garlic fried chicken, guys. It's Cantonese garlic fried chicken. And once you taste that burger, you're gonna taste that garlic flavor. So you don't need those other paprika and cumin and all that other stuff that you see on YouTube. You just need to coat it with this flour and you'll get that original garlic fried chicken tasty burger. Okay, let's coat these chicken drumsticks. Okay guys, so here's my marinated chicken drumsticks over here. Now we're just gonna give this a quick mix in that garlic marinade, and we're gonna pop them into the flour and coat. And it's popping a piece here. Now you just gotta dust the top. And then just pat it dry. Make sure the whole chicken drumstick is patted nicely, that there's no wet spots, or else once you deep fry you're gonna hear some explosions from the skin of the chicken drumstick here, chicken drumstick meat. Just gonna pat it dry first here, make sure there's no wetness. And then now you just gonna move it around, and then you'll see that the underneath the skin area is still wet. You also have to cover that up. Make sure the whole piece of chicken thigh is covered up nicely in the flour. No wetness. We want that crispy bite. Okay, you can see still a lot of wetness there. Okay, I'm just gonna do this for the rest of the other two pieces of chicken drumstick. Just give a good squeeze as well so that the flour sticks nicely. You see, if you don't add in that egg, the flour won't stick nicely. Okay, so while you're squeezing it, you can see that a lot of open areas is opening up, showing the wetness of the chicken drumstick. And you just coat it in the flour. Okay, looks good. Check something like this. Now I'm just gonna lay it onto a plate and then rest. You may do the rest. Okay guys, let's deep fry our chicken drumsticks. Well coated chicken drumsticks in this oil. This is sunflower oil. Added enough oil in this pot to cover the chicken pieces, and yeah, just preheating the oil now. Guys, let's taste our oil. Put a little crumb. You can see once you splatter it on top, the crumb is sticking out and it's not sinking in the oil. Then the oil is ready. So this chicken, we're gonna fry it for we're gonna dip it in the oil to fry for like 1 minute to form a crust, and we're gonna lift it out, and then we're gonna preheat the oil very hot, and we're gonna dump it in again for a second fry, and then it'll create some crispy chicken very crispy chicken drumstick for our burger patties here. So let's lower the heat while the oil is hot. Let's place in our chicken drumsticks. Okay, so just leave it in for the first 30 seconds without moving it so it can form its crust. So the oil was very hot and we lowered the heat down so that it won't burn. I just gonna use this just to feel. You can feel it's starting to form a crust, which is good. Don't move it around yet. Okay, once it forms a crust, you just gotta flip the chicken around or else the base starts to burn. You can see that the egg batter, the crunchy crust is not falling off the chicken drumsticks over here. So yeah, now we're going to lift this out for a moment. Just check at that piece there. Just gotta lift these out. Okay guys, so now the chicken is lifted out. We're gonna tune up the heat to the highest to heat this oil up, and then we're gonna dump back the chicken drumsticks in this oil, and it'll create that very crispy crunch on the chicken drumsticks for our fried chicken burger. Okay guys, we're gonna place back our chicken drumsticks inside in the hot oil on high heat. Okay, now it's on high heat, so you'll keep on moving it around so that it won't burn. You see, now you'll create a very crispy crust on the chicken drumsticks here. Hey guys, so you just gotta keep an eye out and keep on flipping the chicken, but you can feel it's very crispy now. You can still see there's a lot of bubbles coming out, so it shows that there's a lot of water content still in the chicken over here. So once the bubble cools down, you'll know that the chicken is ready. You can always feel it's very crispy now in this hot oil. And you can also smell that garlic flavor popping out. You can hear the bubbling sound. It's starting to cool down and it's almost ready, guys. Okay guys, it should be ready. The oil looks like it's cooled down, and you know chicken cooks faster than pork or beef. So let's take this out. Check out these big pieces of chicken drumsticks. Once you slit them, they were small, but once it's coated nicely, just check that out. Okay, we're just gonna let this cool off a little bit and we can prepare to assemble our fried chicken burger with that chicken sauce, with that delicious sauce that I made. Okay guys, let's assemble one of our fried chickens. Okay, first we get I'm just using a loaf over here, air fried, just for it to be more crispy. Air fried over here. So first I'm going to spread some of that sauce I prepared earlier on. Sauce there and some sauce over here. Just a good touch. Add in a little bit of lettuce. Add in 1 slice of tomato. Add in 1 piece of the fried chicken here. Give it a little press. And we're going to add in a slice of cheese, just like that. And then we're going to top it off. Booming. Just check at that. This is how I make fried chicken burger. Check at that. Yummy. Okay. Let's taste some of this. Let me just make 2 more because I made I made 3 chicken drumstick patties there. Okay guys, these are my garlic fried chicken burgers over here. Let's check that out. Oh, so nice. I just tasted that sauce. It's almost like KFC. I don't know if I found their secret sauce or something, but hey, it's so good. Let's check it out. Okay, let's taste. It's time to taste this. Okay, grabbed one over here. Check at that. Okay, let's taste. Let's see, do we get that garlic flavor? Damn, so crispy and crunchy. It's like the KFC burgers here, but better. Okay guys, you saw how easy it is to make yourself some of these delicious, so much garlic flavor, garlic fried chicken burgers. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thanks guys for watching.